We should all understand the performance capabilities and respect the limitations of the aircraft we are flying. As pilot in command, this is our responsibility. I'm Bruce Webb. Welcome to this installment of the FAA's Rotorcraft Collective. Hover in-ground effect, hover out-of-ground effect, weight and balance. These are obvious concerns. But what about fuel consumption, rate of climb, or the effect of installed equipment such as a hoist, searchlight, floats, or even an air conditioner? What impact can these have upon aircraft performance? We must know before we go, because many of us often fly the same helicopter in the same geographic area doing the same type of work. It is easy to become comfortable and perhaps complacent with performance planning. We all know that temperature, altitude, weight, and winds are essential considerations when determining performance. Unfortunately, it's far too easy to simply approximate those variables and guess the helicopter's performance. It's vital to spend the time required to obtain accurate data so as to calculate the actual capability of your aircraft. Proper pre-flight preparation should eliminate an unanticipated performance deficit. Choose to be proactive, not reactive. This is especially true outside your local flying area. From the cockpit, 1,000 feet above ground level in the central plains of the Midwest may look remarkably similar to 1,000 feet above the high plains of the Northwest. But aircraft performance will be very different because density altitude dictates performance, not height above the surface. The situation worsens when the outside air temperature is high. The density altitude on a 90-degree day in Illinois may be near 3,000 feet, but in Montana, that same temperature may put the density altitude above 8,000 feet. Helicopter performance will vary greatly between these two diverse environments. Some pilots and their passengers have paid dearly for a lack of preparation and awareness. Imagine the probable result of shooting an approach to an in-ground effect hover with insufficient power. The results are predictable and not appealing. Unfortunately, attempting to land, take off, or maneuver with insufficient power has been the proximate cause of many helicopter accidents. Detailed performance planning will help us avoid such undesirable outcomes. Conducting flight operations without thorough pre-flight planning, which includes calculating our helicopter's performance and determining its limitations, is irresponsible and can turn deadly. We must discipline ourselves to use current and accurate information and update our calculations as conditions change. Let's all choose to be professional helicopter pilots. Comprehensive performance planning must be a regular part of our routine. Every customer, every passenger deserves our best. For the FAA Safety Team, the U.S. Helicopter Safety Team, and the Helicopter Association International, I'm Bruce Webb.